Gator Pit here. Out of our fab shop, we custom built these rails to go around a metal flat top. And we put 50-inch LED slots in the front to mount 50-inch LEDs. We also put some holes in there to be able to strap to secure gear up there. On the sides, we have more holes to be able to strap to, bungee to, and we did slots to be able to mount 20-inch LEDs in it. Walking on around back, same as the front, 50-inch LED capability back there, so you can mount up to a 50-inch LED back there, up to a 20-inch LED on the sides of these Gator rails. The top was manufactured by another company, which you can see right there. We did not make that top, but we did mount the design and cut the rails at top out of our shop. However, if you do want a full top with the rails or just a full top, Gator Pit can fabricate that as well. So we can do anything you want. We got a full fabrication shop to do anything you want. And this was an existing flat top, and you can either add this to your existing flat top, no matter who the manufacturer is. We just need some specs from you on that to be able to cut the lengths and widths of those. And then of course we can put in your ranch name, branch name, company name, whatever you want to advertise you at the ranch, the lease, the trails, wherever you're at, to advertise your business. These are pretty cool. They do work. I've got pictures of it lit up at night, and man, does it light up. I did this mainly because I duck hunt, and this is great for throwing my decoys out. Instead of using my little hat light or headlight, it doesn't really show me a whole lot of my spread. I can light up what side I'm throwing my decoys on, light up the pond, and do my spread, put it where I want it, I can see it, and get my blind and start duck hunting. So that was the main reason why I did what I did, was for my duck hunting. And I got to thinking, you know what, these are pretty cool. I own a welding shop, fabrication shop, and why not offer these to people if they want them? So that's where we're at. I'm Rich Robin. This is on a Can-Am Defender XMR Max. So if you have a Can-Am Defender XMR Max, I've already got the specs on that. I don't need the specs. I just need to know what you want us to cut into it right here to advertise yourself. Right now we're doing these for right around $400, give or take. Just the rails, guys. That's not including the flat top. The flat top's going to cost you a bit more, obviously, especially with the cost of steel nowadays, plate. But we can do it all. Give me a call, gatorpit.net, 713-896-0144. Let me know what you've got. Provide some specs, and I can give you a price on doing the flat top, or the flat top and the rails, or just the rails. And yes, we can ship to you. And just let me know. First thing to do is to give me a call, Rich at gatorpit.net, 713-896-0144. And let's see what we can design for you. We do cut these out with a CNC plasma table. I have a Torchmate 4510 big table, and that's what you see this cut out of or from. It's perfect. See ya. Got these Gator tops up here with 50-inch LEDs in front, 50-inch LEDs in the rear, and 20-inch LEDs on the driver and passenger side. And we upgraded our headlights on the Can-Am as well to some brighter LEDs. And I just want to show you what these LEDs do. Look at the back side lit up. And you got the passenger side lit up. Front lit up. Get on over here, and there's your driver's side lit up. Light up the night.